Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray which is located at the bottom of the device, right over here. Using the little tool in the insert area, and then push the pin in. You'll see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards. You can place one on either side, and if you're planning to use just one SIM card, you can place it on either top or bottom. It doesn't really matter. Now one more thing is make sure you clip the card in place. If you flip it over and it falls out, then it wasn't in there correctly. There we go. Let's give it a second. There we go. It shows up with the pin. So obviously the card is working. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.